Hare Krishna. Today we go for the verse number 4, Ganga Stotram. Tava jalam amalam yena nipitam paramapadam khalu tena grihitam matar gange toyo bhakta kilatam drashtum nayama shakta. O Mother, those who partake of your pure waters definitely attain the highest state. Mother Ganga, Yama, the Lord of Death, cannot harm your devotees. O Mother, those who partake of your pure waters, Tavajalam Amalam, Yena Nipitam, your water is Amalam, means no pollution in that. Tavajalam Amalam Yena Nipitam, one who take that water, definitely attain the highest state. Mother Ganga, Yama, the Lord of Death, cannot harm your devotees. So, those who take Ganga water, they attain highest state. And those who develop devotion for Mother Ganga, so Yamaraja, no, cannot disturb them. Means they don't need to go to Yamaraja's abode. After death, after leaving the body, they can go back to Godhead. That's a speciality of those who are taking Ganga water or those who are devotee of Mother Ganga. Ganga Maya ki jai. Drishtwai svabhavajaniter vabushascha dosher na prakrtatvam iha bhakta janasya pasher gangambasam nakhalu pudbhudapena pangair brahmadravatvam abhagacchati niradharmaha. So Rupa Goswami also says in the Upadeshamrita, that is in the rainy season, sometimes Ganga we can see flooding, and it contains many different type of things. The water muddy, there is so much foam, even sometimes dead body also floating. But still, those who know the greatness of Ganga, they take bath in Ganga. They utilize Ganga for worshipping. So in this way, Ganga water never polluted. Whatever is coming in touch with Ganga water, that will transform in the quality of Ganga. So this question we asked to when Ananda Krishnadas Goswami was here, and some of our devotees asked how we understand this. So Ananda Krishna Das Goswami said that the Ganga Maya is like a touchstone, Chindamani. Whoever come in contact with the Ganga, that turn into pure. So this is Ganga Maya is so powerful, she can purify. So Tavajala Mamalam Yena Nipidam Parama Padam Khalu Tena Grihidam Matar Gange Toyo Bhakta Kiladam Drashtum Na Yama Shakta. Jai Ganga Maya ki jai.